What's up, ketchup? Yan, so for today, another food ang i-test natin, food testing. So it's the super meal once again, the nuts and seeds original mix. So it's from Go Farm under Tita Nina Pasalubong. So ulitin ko guys, before we eat yung mga food na binibili natin, let's check muna yung, basahin muna natin yung mga nakasulat sa packaging, yung expiry date, manufacturing date, yung ingredients, and other information na nakalagay dito to make sure that yung mga food na ito take natin is safe. Okay? So it's it's ISO certified and it's halal certified, so it's sure na goods and safe tong food na iti-take natin. And so let's try this. So let us try. So ito yung mga laman niya. The mixed nuts ingredients. It includes walnuts, raisins, blackcurrant raisins, dried cranberries, pumpkin seeds, cashew nuts, simeon nuts. Yun yung mga inclusion nito. So ito siya, guys. Yan. Saan makita nyo? Uy, yun. Okay. So, ito yung pumpkin. Yan, pumpkin seeds. And then, it's good. Then, I think ito yung raisin. Kasi ito naman yung blackcurrant raisin. Siguro kasi black siya. Yan. Masarap siya, guys. And this is the cashew nuts. And ano pa? Cranberry. Yung cranberry. Hanapin natin. Hindi ko alam yung itsura ng cranberry. Ito yung walnut. Yan. Arko, gabas pa. Walnut na hack. Super crispy nila, guys. Yung raisin, sarap. So, sa mga hindi kumakain ng raisin, try nyo lang. Hindi advisable sa hindi kumakain ng raisin. Kasi, karamihan raisin yung laman because of the black raisin and the blackcurrant raisin and the raisin itself. Yan. So, ito yung nakuha, guys. I think this is the nakuha ko simeon nut. Ito siya. Simeon nut. Di ba ito yung pumpkin seed? Parang ito ata yung hindi ito ng kalabasa. Yung kulay green yun. Kasi ito yung simeon nuts. Good. Sarap, guys. So, yun. My rate for this food, the nuts and seeds original mix, my rate is also 8/10 kasi karamihan is raisins So, sa mga raisin lover, yun, try this one. Pero the best. Medyo marami yung walnut. And din yung masarap kainin.